Toronto Mimang Mangopedu, and Tangololama, Hintabatu. Very Ramsey, the Gena show, low to Judah Sukore, Suju Tagi. Ningaranzo Tangme, Semla, Kingo, Kitchen Buchita, Harishuna, Nanzo Tapsoti, Tabenta, Kimset, Demba Tapsiki, Pretty near the Demba, Tinjuchi Nezi, Nimba Yendi, Naranzo Tangme, Samu Chikta, Dosa Chiki Cheni, Pena, Tenda Seala, Simshuk Machapa Cheni. Beijing Chico View. Kitchen chick, Pen Anglola Yepe, me, Sim Shuk Chimbuki, Nanso, Central La Yepe, Mimala, Rewa Chimbuchina Yore, be in the Nansu Same, Soso Tenda Chico member, Kugab Hati Rana, Kinjang Hadi Rajik, Rane, Pedam, Peggy, the band. You share Kitchen Butongo, any Tamadilla, Tame Putabada Nayata, Suso Peba in the no di Malabache, Chene, Degogi, Chembo Kitchen Buchagadu, Baganashi Samolong, Tide Tam, Yemo Mepe, Tone, Papartu, Pomtachiri Shuni, Narangwene Rawatam, Muloshibu. Today we are gathered to mark 63rd anniversary of the 1959 uprising. 63 years of illegal occupation of China, by China of Tibet. And every day, but especially on March 10th, I am reminded of the strength of the Tibetan people. By your presence here today, and with Tibetans all around the world commemorating March 10th, we are showing to the Chinese government and to the world that the Tibetan resistance lives on. The Tibetan struggle continues. Today here in Toronto, I'm heartened to see so many people, particularly young people, the next generation, who is going to continue our struggle. And we know that this resistance continues inside Tibet. Tibetans inside Tibet are doing everything they can every day to assert their Tibetan identity, to speak Tibetan language, to preserve Tibetan culture, and to be proud of who they are as Tibetans. And when I think about the Tibetans inside Tibet, I am reminded of most recently Tsawang Nobla, the most recent self-immolation, 168th person to self-immolate inside Tibet. Now let's take a moment to think about Tsawang Nobla, 25 years old, a beloved musician, popular singer. I mean, all of us have watched his videos and we love him. Talented young person who had a bright future ahead of him. This is his picture here. But what we may forget is that Tsawang Nobla, at 25 years old, has never, ever known a life in Tibet that was not under occupation. He has never known what it is like to live in a free Tibet. But he knows that it is possible. And he knows that he should be part of something to bring attention to the Tibetan cause, which is why he made the ultimate sacrifice of self-immolating to bring attention to the Tibetan cause. And I ask all of you today to make sure that we never forget the sacrifices that have been made by Tibetans, and to make sure that his death is not just another number that we get used to. We cannot let any more young Tibetans lose their life in this fight. So us as Tibetans outside of Tibet, let us do everything we can to ensure that we are fighting every day for our Tibet. Thank you.